Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use jumper leads safely and effectively. Knowing how to jumpstart a car can be a real lifesaver when you encounter a dead battery. We'll go over everything from preparing your vehicles to the correct connection and disconnection sequence. By the end of this guide, you'll feel confident tackling a flat battery situation, ensuring you and your vehicle can get back on the road quickly and without incident. Let's get started. Before you even think about connecting those jumper leads, safety is paramount. Always make sure both vehicles are completely turned off and in park or neutral with the parking brakes engaged. Position them so they aren't touching and are on a stable, level surface. It's also wise to wear gloves and eye protection. Take a moment to inspect the dead battery for any cracks or leaks. If you see any, do not proceed with the jump start. Now let's connect the leads. First, take one red clamp and attach it firmly to the positive terminal of the dead battery. Next, connect the other red clamp to the positive terminal of the good battery. Then, attach one black clamp to the negative terminal of the good battery. Finally, connect the remaining black clamp to an unpainted metal surface on the engine block of the dead vehicle, away from the battery itself. This helps prevent sparks near the battery. With the leads connected, start the engine of the good vehicle and let it run for about 5 minutes. This allows the good battery to charge the dead one slightly. Then, try to start the dead vehicle. Once it starts, disconnect the leads in the exact reverse order. First the black clamp from the engine block, then the black clamp from the good battery, followed by the red clamp from the good battery, and finally the red clamp from the now started vehicle. Let the car run for at least 15 to 20 minutes to help recharge its battery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.